Okay, I want to just 1 sec. Sorry.
Come here. Make noise, please. Are you alive? You are. Come here. You ready? Come here. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. There you go. Oh, let's go where you want to go. What's the move? Right here?
Alright guys, should we keep going or? There's a lot more out of this.
Oh my god! Trying to find one. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it.
Some off of her for Grandma Sue to sort, and she's having fun sorting pennies, wheat pennies, and Bonnie bought some puzzles, so we're doing stuff to keep her busy. Yeah,
You guys determined that it was a